Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with the new one to show you how we can do that. And now you can slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, or just hold for a while your device screen with your finger. And here you'll see that widgets icon. Just tap here once. And now here you can see all the available widgets the applications with the widgets which we can add to our device home screen. For example, here we can see the 4 different types of the Google Drive widget. We can add one from them, or here we have the 3 different types of the clock widget. For example, we'll add the analog one. Just hold for a while this widget, and after that, for example, drag it here to the screen. If you want, you can change the size of the widget. Just hold it for a while, and after that just make it bigger or smaller. As can you see, that's really simple. If you wanna just move the widget here on the screen, hold it, and by this way just slide it, for example, to this position. Also, we can move the widgets between the screens here, or we can create also the new screens. That's so simple, right? If you want, we can add here more widgets, for example, the music one, the calendar, the regular or the schedule. Just hold it and drag it here to home screen, to this screen, or just to the new one. And by the same way, we can also change the size of the widget. We can just make it on the full screen if you want. And if you want to just remove the widget, hold it, and here you'll set the remove icon and click here just to remove this widget. Or just tap here to the minus icon on the left upper corner of the widget. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.